Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we show you how to stop TikTok keep reminding sleep hours. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. It's easy to get lost in TikTok videos considering how entertaining the app is. 1 minute you are watching a quick dance video, the next you're deep into 3 hour session of endless scrolling. On my previous video, I've shown you how to enable sleep reminders on your TikTok. But now, what if you want to turn off this feature? You want to stop TikTok from keep reminding you to sleep. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just go to your profile. From your profile, you can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to settings and privacy. From settings privacy, you can go to time and well-being. You can select on that. So here's your screen time. Now you can just tap on here, the screen time options. You can just scroll down. If you see in here, your daily screen time is off, and also your screen time breaks, it's off. But TikToks keep reminding you the to sleep hours. So you can just select on sleep hours. Here's you can just turn off the feature by tap on the tickle in here. You can turn off your sleep hours only for today or turn off completely. If you don't want TikTok to keep reminding you every day, you can just select on turn off completely. So now TikTok will not remind you when it's time to sleep again, even when you're turn off the daily screen time breaks, but your sleep hour is on. TikTok will keep remind you the sleep hour, so you can just turn off like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to stop TikTok keep reminding sleep hours on your TikTok account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.